Everyone see, yesterday we have to discuss the conjugative of a complex number properties. One more property I'm going to discuss, conjugative complex number, one more important property. So one more important, important property. So this is the important property. So what is the important properties? Everyone see in that one, Z1 into Z1 into Z1 into uh, right. Everyone see Z1 into Z2 bar plus Z1 bar into Z2 is equal to 2 times of real of Z1 into Z2 bar. Z1 into Z2 bar. How it is? Now I will prove this one is everyone see 2 times of everyone observe 2 times of everyone. So already we discussed one point. Z plus Z bar is equal to 2 times of real of first one Z. Z plus Z bar. Already we discussed this point. Z plus Z bar is equal to 2 times of real of Z. How it is? X plus IY is the Z. Z bar is the I replaced with the minus IY. Both are cancel. So 2x. X means real of Z. 2 times of real of Z. Okay, na? Real of Z. Is it clear? X is called Z is equal to X plus IY. So X is called real of Z. X is called real of Z. Y is called imaginary of Z. Okay, na? Imaginary of Z. This basing, this property I am going to take left hand side. Everyone see Z1, Z2 bar. Okay, na? Plus Z1 bar and Z2. I am going to write everyone clearly observe. So how I am going to write is everyone see Z1, Z2 bar, no change first one. Second one is Z1, Z2 whole bar. Z1, Z1, Z2 bar, whole bar. Okay, na? See, now by separating Z1 and Z2 whole bar is equal to Z1 and Z2, Z1 bar into Z2 bar. Similarly, Z1 and Z2 whole bar is equal to Z1 bar into Z2 bar of bar. Double bar will become as a Z1. So Z1 bar into Z2 only we get same. Okay, na? So now I will write this one. This is the Z, this is the Z, this is the Z bar. Therefore, we can write 2 times of real of Z. Z is Z1 and Z2 bar. Z1 and Z2 bar. Is it clear? Second important is, so here is clearly understand, Amma. Second important is A Z A plus IB, its polar form is R into cos theta plus I sin theta. R into cos theta plus sin theta. This can be written as R into this places we can write e power of I into theta. This is called, representation is called Euler process. What is the name of the Euler process? This is the Euler form. This is called Euler form. This is called Euler's form. Okay, na? This is the Euler's form. Okay, na? Clear everyone? Euler's form. So this is called Euler's form. So cos theta plus I sin theta can be written as e power of I theta. This formation is called Euler's form. Next one. Third point important, you can see z is equal to x plus iy. Z is equal to x plus iy. If z is equal to x plus iy, then x is equal to z plus z bar, z plus z bar by 2, and y is equal to, so z minus z bar by 2i, z minus z bar by 2i. Already we prove this one. So already we know that, everyone see int of this one is, so z plus z bar is equal to x plus iy. Z bar is I replaced with minus 1. So minus iy, both are cancelled. So z plus z bar is equal to 2x. Therefore, z plus z bar by 2. Z bar by 2 is equal to x. One is completed. Second one, see, z minus z bar is equal to x plus iy. Z bar is equal to x minus of iy. Okay, na? X cancel. It will become as a 2iy. Therefore, z minus z bar by 2i is equal to y. Okay, na? Clear, everyone? So these three are most important. These are repeated number of times. Okay, na? Everyone read these three. Right. See, everyone. Next, I go through the right. Next one. One problem I will write. Find conjugative of the complex number. Conjugate of complex number. Complex Cn I will write complex number. So 2 minus I by denominator is a 1 minus 2i whole square. First, any complex number must be written in the form of, any complex number must be written in the form of a plus ib. Then only we say that it is a complex number. Otherwise, it is not a complex number. First given, I will let it be as a z 2 minus I, denominator is the squaring 1 plus 4i square, is it correct? Minus 2ab 4i. I square value is the 1 minus 2i. I square value is the minus 1. 1 minus 4 minus 4i. Next one, 2 minus I, okay na? 2 minus I by minus 3 minus 4I. Take minus is multiply numerator. So minus 2 plus I by denominator is a 3 plus 4I. Denominator apply rationalizing 3 minus 4I by 3 minus 4I. Okay na? So now we will write z is equal to, so minus 2 into 3 minus 4i plus I into 3 minus 4i. Okay na? By denominator is a plus b into a minus b multiplication, a square minus 4i square. Okay na? So now multiplication, minus 6 plus 8i, next plus 3i minus 4i square, by denominator is 9 plus 9 plus 16. Okay, now this can be written as plus 4 minus 2 plus 11i by 25. Okay, now so now I will write z is equal to minus 2 by 25 plus I into 11 by 25. Now Z bar write down. Z bar I replace with minus I. Minus 2 by 25 minus I into 11 by 25 is the answer. Is it clear, everyone? Right. Now see, next I will write. Right. Everyone see. So next I go through the modulus of a complex number or absolute value of complex number. Already we discussed, but properties is needed. For that purpose only I am going to write modulus of a complex number. Simply I will R absolute value of complex number. Absolute value of a complex number. Everyone see, modulus of a complex number mean, let Z is the symbol of the complex number. Its complex number is the x plus iy. Its point form is x comma y by the organ plane. Right. Now I will draw the figure. This is the origin to P point. P point is the x comma y. This is called real axis. Name is the x axis. Name is the real axis. This is the y axis. Name is the imaginary axis. This is the origin. Okay, na? So now this is the vertical projection. This is the horizontal projection. Horizontal projection is the image of OP, that is on x axis, that is x coordinate. This is the vertical projection is parallel to y axis, therefore y coordinate. The distance between OP is equal to, by the Pythagoras rule, root over x square plus y square. Okay, na? So this is modulus of z is equal to distance between OP, that is equal to root over x square plus y square. This can be written as modulus of z minus 0, z point to 0 distance is also x square plus y square. Okay, na? So similarly, everyone observe, 2 points is given. Z1 point is the x1 plus iy1, and Z2 point is the x2 plus iy2. So the distance between these 2 points is represented by Z1 minus Z2. So now write down Z1 is the x1 plus iy1, and Z2 is the minus of x2 plus iy2 by the subtraction algebraical method. So modulus of x1 minus x2, I is common, y1 minus y2 modulus is closed. Now, this is the modulus of Z1 minus Z2. So, modulus of Z1 minus Z2 is equal to, modulus formula is the square root of x place square, x1 minus x2 square, means real part square, only imaginary part square, y1 minus y2 square. So this is the distance between the 2 points. This is called distance between Z1 and Z2 in complex number is represented by modulus of Z1 and Z2. This is the formula. Okay. Na? So now I will write here distance between distance between distance between distance between Z1 and Z2 is equal to represented by symbolically modulus of Z1 minus Z2, and there is a formula is the root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Is it clear now, everyone? Right. I go through the next one is properties of the modulus. This is the most important. Properties of the modulus is the most important. So after then, I go through the some problems also. Everyone see. Right. Everyone see. Properties of the modulus function. First, one example we write distance between. One example we can write one problem. Find distance between. Find distance between Z1 is equal to 3 plus 4i, 3 plus 4i, Z2 is equal to 7 minus 6i. Distance between find out, Amma. So hint of the problem is, everyone see, this is modulus of Z1 minus Z2 we can represent. Distance between the 2 points is. This is modulus of real parts 3 minus 7 plus I into imaginary part 4 minus 6. So 4 plus 6, sorry. Here is the, sorry, I will write. Once again, I will write clearly. Right, see, here is modulus of 3 plus 4i minus of 7 minus 6i. Okay, na? So modulus of Z1 minus Z2 is equal to modulus of 3 minus 7 plus I into 4 plus 6. Okay, na? Right. Now modulus of Z1 minus Z2 is equal to 4 minus 4 plus 10i. Now its modulus value write down, square root of minus 4 square plus 10 square. Okay, na? This is equal to modulus of Z1 minus Z2 is equal to square root of 116 is the value. Okay, na? Right. Next problem we can see. Second problem. Everyone observe second problem. I'll go through the second problem. Just 1 minute. Right. See, the second problem is, what is the given second problem is the locus of find the locus of find the locus of find the locus of modulus of Z minus 1 square, modulus of Z minus 1 square plus modulus of Z plus 1 square is equal to 4. Problem is locus problem means immediately locus point is x plus iy. Z please take x plus iy. Z is the always symbol of complex number. Z is the symbol of locus point. Okay, na? Now write down. So modulus of Z place is the x plus iy minus 1 square plus modulus of x plus iy plus 1 square is equal to 4. Okay, na? Modulus of x minus 1 plus iy plus modulus of x plus 1 plus iy. Okay, na? This is the square, here also square, here also square is equal to 4. Modulus means write down a square root of x my real part square plus imaginary part square. Already we have this square. Here is modulus write down formula, real part square plus imaginary part square. Already we have this square. Okay, na? By the square root will be cancelled. X minus 1 square plus y square is equal to x plus 1 square plus y square is equal to 4. Now expand x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus last I will write 2y square x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Here plus 2x minus 2x cancel. Now write down x square plus x square is a 2x square, y 2y square. Okay, na? 2y square 1 plus 1 is a 2. 2 minus 4 is a minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 is cancel. X square plus y square minus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus y square is equal to 1. The locus of the equation is a circle form. So our a circle small, this is the standard circle is the x square plus y square is equal to r square. Therefore, the locus is the circle. Okay, na? The locus is the equation of the circle. So equation of the circle. Equation of the circle. Okay, na? So this is the formation. Everyone you should be remember. So next I go through the right properties of modulus. Properties of properties of modulus. Properties of modulus. I will write modulus properties and then I will end the video. Tomorrow we have to do the some problems regarding this one. So, and important modulus properties I discuss tomorrow and I will do some more problems. Then square root, cube root, I will enter. Okay, na? Right. First property is if modulus of if modulus of z is equal to 0, then z be the so 0 plus I0 compulsory. Second property is modulus of z1 minus z2 means distance between z1 and z2 complex numbers. Distance between the complex numbers z1 and z2 z1 and z2. Next third point, modulus of z value, modulus of z bar value, modulus of minus z value, modulus of minus z bar value all are equal. Okay, na? All are equal. See, the hint is Z is equal to X plus IY. Z bar is equal to X minus IY. Modulus Z is equal to square root of real number square, imaginary number square. Modulus of Z bar is equal to square root of X square minus Y square. It will become as a square root of X square plus Y square. So modulus of Z is equal to modulus of Z bar. Automatically their conjugatives also negative. Okay, na? So automatically it's additive inverses also. So same. Okay, na? Right. Fourth point. Next, fourth one is Z into Z bar is equal to modulus of Z bar square, that is equal to X square plus Y square. Already we have seen Z value is the same, modulus Z value also same, but Z into Z bar you can see. Z is the X, Z into Z bar, X plus IY into X minus IY. A plus B into A minus B, A square minus IY square. Okay, na? X square plus Y square. This is the modulus of Z square. Okay, na? Right. Fifth point, real of Z or imaginary Z must be lies between modulus Z and above minus modulus Z. This point should be remembered. Inequality problems we can do here. Okay, na? Right. Next one is see. Sixth point is modulus of Z1 into Z2 is equal to separate modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2. So modulus general form is Z1 into Z2 into Z3 into Zn is equal to modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2 into modulus of Z3 dotted modulus of Zn. Okay, na? Multiplication of modulus always separated. Division of modulus also separated. Seventh one is modulus of Z1 by Z2 is equal to modulus of Z1 by modulus of Z2. Okay, na? Modulus of Z1 by modulus of Z2. Next one. So 7 points completed. Tomorrow we are going to discuss from the 8th point. So 8th point and some problems we have to be discussed in the modulus. Okay, na? Right. I will stop here.